Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we're going to be doing a light socket ceiling fan destruction. The reason I'm doing this is because I think you heard about the remote. We know what happened with the remote. We actually tried ordering the exact same battery for it, which because we looked at the old one, and the new ones didn't work. So, yeah, you know the little extension piece I keep my next socket fan because I'm going to get a new one. So I dropped it and a blade broke off of it cheap. Also, it's like pretty damaged too. Like, look at the blade. That's like has a scratch mark. So yeah, let's get destroying this thing. So what I'm gonna use is when I did the light bulb destruction on my old channel. I used this rock right here. But I've never done a ceiling fan destruction before. Oh, that is a big worm that went away in like a split second. So we're gonna be using this. Oh, it's like a whole bunch of pill bugs or potato bugs. I just had this time to get the rock. I'll clean up this mess at the end. Actually, I'm gonna get a different rock. This rock's way too heavy. I'm gonna use the exact one that I used to do the light bulb destruction on my old channel. This one's way better. Move this bar too. I got that idea. So yeah, we're gonna be destroying this socket fan. Oops. Upside down. Okay. Here we go. So we're gonna destroy it now. We got the rock. So yeah, let's throw it on it. Okay. There's our damage. Here we got light. The globe broke, kinda. Here it is. So yeah. Oh, there goes the second blade that broke. How about we get it from the top now? Oh, there's a little bug. Okay. Okay, here we go. Even bigger damage. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be a really hard throw. All right. Good. Top of the socket. Okay. Here we go. Still spins. Scott douche. Oh, I'm sorry, plant. I'm sorry for hitting you, plant. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Okay. There goes the last blade. Look at this thing now. Does it still spin? Oh. It barely spins anymore. Okay. Here, we're gonna destroy this more. Okay. Does it spin? Okay, oh yeah, it doesn't spin anymore. too bad, so sad. Oh wait, actually? Yeah, no, this thing doesn't spin anymore. Kinda. Okay. Okay. So yeah. There goes the light fixture. Does it spin? No. Okay. Take your own blade. Yeah, it does nothing. Oh, bro. Okay. Dings. Wait. Yeah, it spins again. Okay, never mind. Okay. It is over. It is not over. I'm actually gonna get this heavy rock right here. So we're actually gonna use. We're gonna use it for real now. Okay. Okay. Barely even more damage. Look at this. You should like actually rewind to the start of the video and see what no, at the end you should rewind at the start and see what this looks like. Okay. I missed! How did I miss? Oh boy! Ooh. Still spins barely. Hey, look at the top. There's a globe right here. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. This is gonna be a mess I'm gonna have to clean up, which I will clean this up.